Guys, another big day in the market. We have FOMC coming in hot, and I just want to give you a couple of trading plans for BTC and some of these altcoins. Let's go. Now, a general rule of thumb that I like to follow is typically for events like this, if you start pumping into the event, you can generally look for some sells, and if you start selling or dumping into the event, you can often look for some buys. Okay, let's start with BTC. I'm trying to keep it really simple. We obviously don't know what Jerome Powell is going to say, but we can be reactive in some key zones. And right now for me, I'm looking for longs 110 to 111k. The reason being, we've got the CME gap that everyone is talking about. We've also got some fib action. We got some horizontal confluence over here as well, and some order blocks. So that looks like a good zone. Then to the upside, if we do spike pretty hard during the course of the day, I'm looking at a fake out between 116 to 117 for a possible short there for us. Okay, let's look at a couple of alts. I've got Sol, I've got ETH, and I've got 𝗬𝗍 for you. Sol dropped pretty nicely into my bounce zone that I gave on the show yesterday, but if there is a little bit more downside in the market, look out at 187, 188. This level could potentially come and save us. Now, if the market pumps to the upside, possible exit plan, possible shorts, 204, 205, and then 211, 215 is also quite a nice short area there for Solana. What I am picking up on all of these altcoins at the moment is we're seeing 2-hour reversal signs on the oscillator. So what does that mean? It means we could get a push up from these existing levels, but if we print new lows now on these altcoins in a sell-off later, that could actually be a more bullish sign for us. The reason being, this will print bullish divergence for us. We'll get a new low on the price and we'll get a higher low on the oscillator. Let's talk ETH. You can see we're in a lower time frame downtrend at the moment, but I do like this 39 to 3850 zone if we do press a little bit lower. Now, the reason being, that should print us bullish divergence on that 2-hour oscillator, which could give us a nice slingshot play. And in terms of rejection zones, anything up to about 4,300 looks like a bit of a danger zone to me. So it's a no FOMO zone into that area, probably a great head short zone as well. Let's look at 𝗬𝗍 here. Very similar to Solana and ETH in terms of the oscillator and in terms of levels getting hit. So 248 is current support. If there is another drop later on today, I'm absolutely loving the 786 and trend region at 240 to 242. I think that could be an absolute banger long trade if we hit that zone. Some TP zones or some short zones that you can look at for 𝗬𝗍, 273 to 276 looking interesting, and then I've got 285. Now guys, if you like this type of content, you can watch me trading this stuff daily on the Chart Hackers channel on YouTube.